Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video I am going to talk about an option in Photoshop called as clone source option. So let's get started now. Clone source option can be used with couple of tools. The first tool is clone stamp tool and the other one is healing brush tool. It works with both tools. So if you go to window and we go here, clone source option, so we get this panel. So it works with both these tools because they are pretty much similar. Now let's see what is the difference between these two tools first. So as the name suggests, clone stamp tool literally clones any object that we capture. So to capture, just like taking a screenshot of your mobile, so we can simply capture this particular area using Alt key, or if you're using Mac, then Option key. Press and hold Alt key and left click and release, so it captures the area. So we can draw it right here. Now as you can see, while using the clone stamp tool, it literally clones the area. I'll do it once again, Alt click. So it basically clones the area as it is, nothing less, nothing much. But in case of healing brush, if you do the same thing, it tries to blend the object in the background or in the background color, just like this. So this is the biggest difference between clone stamp tool and healing brush tool. As you can see, it tries to blend the image in the background. So if I try on this particular image, as you can see, this is trying to blend the image in the yellow background, so it is looking yellowish. So this is basically the difference between healing brush and the clone stamp tool. Now how to use the clone source option? If you see here, it says 100% width and height and they are linked together. So if we change one value, then other value automatically changes. Now let's say I want to copy this particular sheep, this one, but I want it bigger. So you can use this option. So it is already, so I'll Alt click. So this is captured now, but I want the shape bigger, so I can increase the size and we can also get a preview. As you can see on the left, it is showing us how bigger it is getting. So if I draw this now I'm using the healing brush tool, that's why it is trying to blend in the background like this. I will undo. Same goes with the clone stamp tool. I already captured it, so if I simply paint it, it copies the exact item but in bigger size because we have increased the size over here. If you want to make it smaller, we can decrease the size and it also shows us the preview. So let's say around 70. Again I will Alt click. So as you can see, it makes it smaller. It is the same sheep and it has made it smaller. And let's say if you want to change the direction, so we can flip it like a mirror. So flip horizontal will give us the image in different direction. So like this, as you can see, the sheep's head is in the opposite direction over here. So you want to make it or want to flip it, you can use this option. And if you flip it vertically, basically flips the object vertically like this. So if you want to show some reflection or something like that, then we can use this particular option. So let's see if I click over here, Alt click and flip. So let's say I want opacity, so it will look something like this. If you want to show some reflection, not here in water, so I'm just giving you an example. So this is how it works and I will show you one more example. So let's say I want to change the size of this car. Now if I want to show this car nearer to me, it has to be bigger. If you want to make it realistic, so I will choose this car first, Alt left click, release. So I will increase the size. Now we want this car to blend. So this will not blend into the background because we are using a clone stamp tool. So I will choose healing brush tool because it will blend in the background. So I will increase slightly, so around 130. Now if you want to change the angle, we can change the angle as well. So here it is, so I can change the angle. So I need this in the other direction. So this I will decrease the size of the brush. And remember, while using the healing brush tool, you should not let go of the left click, otherwise it will create another object once you restart painting. So do this in one click, otherwise it will create another object once you repaint this. So this is looking pretty good to me. Shadows. So we actually want to show this as a different car. So this is nearer, so it is, hence it is looking bigger. So let's say I want another car over here, so I will make it smaller and I will change the angle in the other direction. Now I will decrease size some more, let's say around 60. So it will look something like this. I will decrease the size a little bit more, around 40. So this is how it looks. The car is far from the camera. Now if I want it in other direction, so I will flip, so it will look something like this. Undo. You have to be careful not to draw the extra area. So this is how it looks. So I will give you one more example. So let's say I want to copy this, and in a single time you can choose 5 different options. So let's say if I decrease the size over here, I can increase the size here. So just like that, I can choose 5 different options in one go. So I am using the same option. I will turn off the flip option and I will alt left click. I will increase the size. 100 means the original size, and I will also change the angle to 0, a little bit more, so like this. I will decrease the size of the brush. Again I want to increase, so it will be like something like this. Again I will increase the size slightly more. So it will look something like this. So we can use it to increase or decrease the size of the selected object or captured object accordingly as per our requirement. So this is how to do it using the clone source option. It can be pretty useful while doing some designs, doing some projects. So it is very creative actually. So do give it a go and let me know in the comment section. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.